Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the appearance of a character in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you do that, you'll be greeted with this screen right here. So these are all the characters I have right now. So to change the appearance, just go to the character you want to change the appearance of. Hover your mouse on top of it, and here you'll see this option called Modify. Right click on it, like so, and now you can modify your character however you want it. You can do so as many times as you want. Once you're done, just click on Finish, and the character will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Chase. Happy gaming!